upang matugunan ang pangangailangan ng probinsya ng Pangasinan sa imbakan ng mga COVID-19 vaccines. Noong Miyerkules, pinasinayaan ang 30 cubic meters na walk-in vaccine cold room sa Pangasinan Provincial Hospital sa San Carlos City, Pangasinan. Handog ito ng UNICEF at COVID-19 Vaccines Global Access o COVAX.
We are confident that this support will further strengthen COVID-19 vaccination, and hindi lang po COVID-19 vaccination. We also want this walk-in cold room to support especially routine immunization services. Kasi po alam niyo po sa buong mundo, ang Pilipinas po, we belong to the top 10 countries in the world with the most number of unvaccinated children. So yung tinatawag pong zero-dose children, wala man lang isang bakuna. And we're not proud of that, no? So we should really, we should have the collective effort to reach those children. And hopefully po, with the support, the province of Pangasinan can also reach those children that are perennially unreached now with routine vaccination services. Aside, of course, from COVID-19 vaccines as well.
Magsisilbi itong lalagyan ng mga COVID-19 vaccines at iba't ibang klase ng bakuna na kailangang iimbak sa mas mababang temperatura.
Maraming salamat po talaga sa UNICEF because this will greatly benefit the entire province of Pangasinan. Ngayon po, mas marami na po tayong masuscore na bakuna. May we vaccinate more people through this project onwards to earn immunity against vaccine-preventable diseases.
Kayang mag-imbak nito ng 14 million doses. Umabot na sa 2 milyong katao sa Pangasinan ang nakatanggap ng kumpletong bakuna laban sa COVID-19. Jose Robert Inventor para sa Luzon Headlines.